Hello students, good morning. Today we are presenting here in SK Institute for the GD on the topic of online and offline studies. As you know, online studies are very useful nowadays because sometimes before in spreading in India a pandemic of the corona. According to this corona, we are all depend on the online education because offline education can't to join because all schools and coachings are closed. So students, today we are talk about importance of online and offline studies. So let's get start. So first of all, you give your introduction, then we'll get start the GD.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. This is Riya Singh. Now I am doing DOEP and spoken classes in SK Institute and Computer Science and Technology. And sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity to discuss online study and offline study.
Hello everyone, I am Sheetal Singh from Pratapgarh. Now I am doing here computer diploma and English spoken class. And thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to participating in GD. And today topic is online study and offline study.
My name is Priya. I live in Fatuha. Now I am doing DOEP SK Institute of Computer Science and Technology and spoken classes. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone, and I'm so glad for participating this GD online study and offline study. I'm Riya, and I am doing diploma course O level from SK Institute Computer Science and Technology.
Hello everyone. Hello sir. I am Shama Tripathi from Jamnipur. I am doing diploma computer in SK Institute.
Hello guys and hello sir. My name is Amit Pandey, son of Mr. Aryan Pandey, and today we have given the GD on online class and offline class. This topic is very interesting. I would like to request to contribute this GD. I am doing now DOEP from SK Institute of Computer Science.
So students, today we are presenting a great auspicious day, and today we are talk about online and offline studies. And the first question from me that what is the use of online studies?
Sir, according to me, online studies are very precious in at this time because we can see also in epidemic, during the epidemic, online studies is too beneficial and too useful in each every person's. We can say that online study is too useful to every person because some students cannot attend offline classes and because cause of many reasons and this and online studies are very useful for them. We can see that some handicapped students can't go schools and they can't join the offline studies. So according to me, the online studies is too useful for that handicapped students, and that students they cannot join the offline classes. And we can see that in during the epidemic, online classes is too useful for not India but also whole world, and the reason of online classes is too good. But sir, there are many advantages and disadvantages of online study. So according to me, that's it.
My according, online study is very helpful for me because we know that in lockdown sorry sir.
According me, it was very difficult to offline education during Corona. So online education is introduced.
As all of you tell that online study is very important for us during the corona pandemic, and according to me sir, online study is too good place of it because who the students they are preparing for the UPSC any types of competitive exams, they have not enough time. They can't go coaching. If they go coaching, that's they waste much time. So according to me sir, for the preparing very high level examination. So if I want to say saved our time, can save through the online study. And in online studies, one thing is very good, sir. At our home, anywhere, it doesn't matter, anywhere, anytime. Say if you have the phone nowadays, if we have the phone, we can attend anywhere, we can attend our classes. Doesn't matter that's at the time. If you at fixed time, you can't reach your in offline classes, but in online classes doesn't matter that's what the times going on. And if you everywhere, you can join online study. And online studies, many, as Ria told us, that in online studies many disadvantage and advantage. So according to me, in online studies, I would like to tell about the disadvantage. In the online study, sir, as a offline study, if we go the offline study, we can clarify everything. But in online study, we are in total doubt. So can't clear our, if we have the many questions in our minds, can't ask, sir. Like in offline study, in offline classes, we can cooperate with our teachers face to face, front to front, can clear our doubts, can very simplify. But in sir, online study, I think it's very difficult, sir. According to me,
According to me, sir, online study is very good because we can study anywhere, anytime.
Today's generation students like online class because they never want to waste their times for traveling, and it is good for us because we can see video anytime, anywhere. So online class is good for us.
My according, online class is very helpful for all students, because we know that very well in lockdown time we can't study in offline. And suppose we are confused in offline study, so this time we need some guidance and some ideas. So more videos and more guidance available in YouTube, etc. So my according, online study is very helpful for all students.
So students, online studies are useful for us, no doubt. But have you any reason to give me what is harmless and harmful thought to online studies?
According to me, online studies are good, but there are many advantages and disadvantages of online study, because I see some students, when our teachers joining this class and attending their classes, but some students doing very bad work, because when they are attending their classes, so at that time they are present in their classes, but they mute their speaker and they are playing game. So that is not good. And online classes and teach, and how can be possible teacher are attentive and teacher are perspective to all students. So that is not possible, because sometimes we can see that teacher are where are student, but students are, yes ma'am, I am here. So in this durations, in this process, we can't save our time, and we can't save our time. So that is not, so according to me, online classes is not good. And sir, here is a major point is that when we have not a capacity to looking to anything in continuously, and the mobile reflection is too harmful in our eyes and in our body, because our eyes is a center in our body, and that is a very important to sing to anything. So and sometimes we can see and sometimes we can say that and here I want to include example like a math. When our teacher giving a solution math topic in blackboard, but we can't say clearly, ma'am, what would you written in a blackboard? I can't see clearly, and ma'am is telling here is a x plus y and all that, but students, how can be possible to understand in all that things, and like a chemistry, like a mathematics, like a physics and all that. So that is not possible to thinking to other persons. So I think according to me, there is a major harmful things to online classes.
Sir, when the online classes going on, I think students are not more active. they are not more active through the online class. They want because in phone many types of apps like Insta, WhatsApp. So if one message has come, that's they totally distract, and they don't want try to continue their study in online, because a teacher on the place of her or his home, so he can't hear that like in offline classes the teacher can't scold the students. So sir, so according to me here sir, teacher can't scold, and sir in online classes sir much problem is network issue. So daily classes can't continue if network issue is much going on, sir, as well as in village area, sir. I think network issue is much in lockdown time when our classes is going on. We can't sir attend daily classes because of sir network issue. So in online studies, sir, as Ria told us all of you that many harmful things that students are not more active. According to me, it's depend on the students. It depends on students how can he handle their classes. If he you can say if he have the sir he is aware 2 hours their study, so can sir continues according to me it.
We know that both study have a more advantage and disadvantage, and we talk about online study. When a student attend the online classes, this time face a lots of problem like that network issues, due to this reason understanding problem, more things my according.
According to me, when we take any online class, then we have seen that some message like notifications, WhatsApp message and Instagram, when we distract by it, then that is not for us good. That is my advantage.
According to you, should be online studies or not?
Yes, sir. Online study should be continue because that is a very important for each every persons. But we should think there are importance or not, because we can see that in epidemic corona, and these are more useful to each every persons. But sir, where we need, and we can't get to this process to continuously, and this is a depend on we should use or not. This is depend on us. So according to me, yes, this process to continue, but sir, where we have to need, when we have to not need to online classes, so according to me we have to attend always the offline classes. Anyone?
Yes, absolutely. Online studies should be going on because sir, like Ria told us that handicapped students, for the handicapped students, it's a must, sir, because they can't go attend the offline classes. And and according to sir, as I told us that for the preparing for the sir, like competitive examination, they are preparing for competitive examination. They have not enough time. They can't waste their time in the traveling. So for the competitive students, they can join the online study. They can save their time, sir, much time. According to me, it's sir must go.
Okay. According to you, that's mean nowadays totally depend on the online studies, but not should be this. Because without offline studies and without the face of the teacher, you can't clear your doubts. So both is important in place of there, right? So students, next question is, how can survive where has no offline classes you have?
Sir, according to me, we have not offline classes, and how can we survive? Sir, so in this situation, we have to depend on online classes, and because we have not any options. When we have a choice to, at that time we have to choice to offline classes and online classes. When we have a only option online classes, so we have to depend on online classes because there we have not any choices. And according to me, just I want to point out some important fact. We should think about the handicapped student, and we have some earless student, because dumb student, because they can't, okay, they attend online classes, but how can they understand teachers lip sync in all that, sir? So this is when we have not any choices and attending to online classes, so sir, we should think about some handicapped students, some earless students, some dumb students. So sir, according to me, online classes is good, but not for all students.
According to me, online classes is not good. Question not clear. But offline classes is good. In offline classes, teacher pay equal attention all the student.
Sir, according to me, in online sir, I think more we are the talk about more, sir, about the online study, but I would like talk about the offline study. Sir, in offline classes, it's very good, sir, because we are the students and we want to always attend the offline classes, because sir, in offline classes we have not teach only our syllabus. We have to teach us, sir, our teachers teach us about the social affairs. Sir, they teach us about our syllabus, as well as they teach us about the social affairs, socialistic knowledge. Always good, sir. But in online study, only the teachers they want to, sir, only complete their syllabus, and not they have not any they have not any responsibility. But in our, sir, offline classes, our teachers always teach us socialistic knowledge, give the socialistic knowledge. It's most important for the living in our social affairs. So according to me, in offline study, students are very they are the more active, sir. They have the daily attend the class, and they are the daily listen to our professors' lectures. They are daily more active, sir. They have to they are aware that we have to at that fixed time we have to go our university, our college, and they are the always. And in offline study, sir, teachers also the active, and teachers according to me, sir, offline study is good, because in offline studies we have to gain the more experience about this life, sir. If in online study we get at one place we gain the knowledge, according to me, sir, not more we can't gain the more knowledge. But in the offline study, we meet the many friends, we meet the many types of persons, we meet our many professors, and the many types of mindset. We can many experience about sir, sir, through offline classes. So according to me, offline classes is too good and more better than online study.
According to me, when we fall ill or go anywhere, then we have to leave the class in offline. Then because the teacher cannot stop the class for you, and then we have to leave the class. Then according to me, then online is good for us, because we can see the video anytime, anywhere, at home, at anywhere. So online is good for us for this.
Sometime we not have offline classes. This time we attend the online classes. But my according, both have important for all students.
Yeah, you are right. Online classes are good, because in offline classes, our teachers can't wait the students. But in online classes, we can see video, because this is very useful for us. But according to me, in online classes, we have to. They are giving only the knowledge of book knowledge, but we have not giving more knowledge. But for a human, both knowledge is too good to survive in any society. So moral knowledge is too good, and we have to, and we can learn moral knowledge when we are attending offline classes. So according to me.
So students, according to me, online and offline studies both are important for us. But there are many differences. Like, if you have joined online class, that time just whatever they are taught, only the see. But when you join your offline class, that time whatever you want to ask any types of the question to your teacher. right? So according to me, offline study is the best for all. And so thank you today for this. Thank you.